Hey everyone, welcome back. In the first 3 episodes of our tutorials and tips series, we covered some basic essentials for beginner videographers like gear, lenses, and sound. Today we'll be discussing another essential for videography, lights, and I'll be sharing a mistake that I made when I first invested in some lighting gear. Let's dive right in. Lighting 101 for beginner videographers. When lighting a subject, your main light is called the key light. This could be the sun, the street light, or even a candle. For this shot, my key light is above and to the side, looking down at me, creating that classic Rembrandt lighting style with a triangle of light under one eye. This style is moody and perfect for interviews or dramatic scenes. To control the contrast ratio between the light and dark areas, you can add a secondary light, which is often called the fill light, or you can use a reflector to bounce some of the light into the shadows. For this shot, I'm using the wall, which is quite close to me, as a reflector. But if I covered the wall, the shadows would deepen, creating a more moody look. For separation, I've added colorful LED lights as a backlight, helping your subject stand out from the background and creating depth in the frame. This simple 3-light setup is a great starting point for most projects. You can experiment from here to get the specific look that you want. Now, if you're just starting out and don't have lighting equipment, you can get creative with practical lights like lamps or natural light. At some point in your videography career, I would highly recommend investing in some lighting equipment to elevate your videography to the next level. And if you're ready to do so, here is a mistake that I made that you can avoid. When I first purchased lighting gear, I bought a pack that came with 2 lights and 2 softboxes, thinking that 2 lights is better than 1. But I quickly learned that the 2 lights that came in the kit were not strong enough for most situations. If I could go back, I'd invest in 1 strong adjustable key light, 1 large softbox, and a reflector. With these 3 pieces of gear, you can achieve a ton of lighting styles and get much better results than a weaker all-in-one lighting pack. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you on your videography journey, and if you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content. I will see you on the next one.